Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys an expression that many people actually get wrong, and it's actually really simple. So the expression is 2 divided by 2 times 1 plus 1. So to solve this, I'm going to start off by solving 1 plus 1 here. So, going back, I'm going to be using PEMDAS for this. And PEMDAS is the order of operations that I go in to solve an expression like this with multiple operators. So the P here stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, the M stands for multiplication, the D stands for division, the A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. And multiplication and division are grouped, and addition and subtraction are grouped, meaning whichever one comes first in the group is the one I do first. And for those of you who want to try this without an explanation, I have 3 answer choices here. I have A, which is 1/2, B, which is 2, and C, which is 4. So you can go ahead and pause the video and try to solve this. But now for the explanation, I first start with parentheses. And as you can see, I have parentheses over here. So I do 2 divided by 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now that I have no more parentheses, this is multiplication right here, I go to the next one, which is exponents, and there's no exponents over here. So now I move on to multiplication and division. As you can see, I actually have both multiplication and division here, but whichever one comes first, going from left to right, is the one that I do. So in this case, I have division here, and that's what I'm going to do first. So now I have 1 times 2, which is just equal to 2. So my solution is B2. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. So I want to find the value of 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 10 times 2. So now I have 2 to the power of 10 times 2 minus 1. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 10 times 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2. And I have this minus 1. Now 1 I can rewrite as 1 squared because 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. So now I have 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared. And the reason I put this in this form is because now I can use the property a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is equal to 2 to the power of 10 and b is equal to 1. So now I get 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 plus 5, which is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 32 times 32, and 32 times 32 is 1024. So I get 1024 plus 1 times 1024 minus 1. Now 1024 plus 1 is 1025, and 1024 minus 1 is 1023. So now I have 1025 times 1023, and to solve this, or to multiply these two, I'm not just going to do it using the basic multiplication method because this takes way too long. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as 1000 plus 25 times 1000 plus 23, and now I can distribute my 1000. So I get 1000 squared plus 23 times 1,000. And now I can distribute 25, so I get 25 times 1,000 plus 25 times 23. Now 1,000 squared is equal to 1 million. So I have 1 million plus 23,000 plus 25,000 plus 25 times 23, which is 575. So now from here, 23,000 plus 25,000 is 48,000, and 48,000 plus 575 is 48,575, and that plus 1 million is 1,048,575. So this is my answer to this problem.